Alright, turn this thing off before YouTube has a fit that I've got somebody else's music in my video. Hey people. Oh, wow, what are we on to today? We're still working on that table. I just finally got out here. I went for my walk this morning. I'm starting kind of late. I have one of these. It's a Fitbit. So I can maintain my girlish figure. So this morning we walked to the bank, which is quite a little hike. It got me anyways, about 13,000 steps, 31 flights of stairs, and 6 1/10 mile. So anyway, fun. Anyway, so let's take a look at this thing. What are we doing today? We have couple of things we can do immediately. I'm looking at as I could finish welding it up. I still don't have a solution for how to put to do his casters. I've got these little cheapy casters from the Harbor Freight, but he wants them to be kind of temporary. So it's like I kind of envision, you know, these things folding down and lifting the. I don't know. I ain't seeing it. Maybe I should go get some that are locking, but then I don't like locking casters either, so could put them. I don't know. Well, that's gonna be the hiccup in this thing. But anyway, maybe what we'll do is just start with welding this, and maybe a solution will present itself, and then we'll go from there. So let me get this thing welded. Alright, so here's the deal. Putting casters on this table has, for weeks, bothered me because it's, you know, it's got to be, it has to be stable when it's in use. So you can put casters on it, but locking casters kind of blow. So, I mean, unless you buy really good casters, which I don't think he wants to invest the kind of money on really good casters, and I don't have any already, so I'm not going to go run out and get any. I think it needs leveling feet. So I sent a text to the guy, and he was initially, the point of the casters was he was going to be wheeling this in and out of a garage to use it. Now that he's actually found a proper shop to rent and use it, so he's just going to set it up and leave it. So he doesn't need casters now. So I'm going to go run out to the hardware store, and, well, I call it a hardware store. It's the home store. It's Home Depot probably is where I'm going to go. I'm going to get a couple of things to use for feet and see if we can get this thing done. So Here's some disappointment. Drove all the way to the home store, forgot my wallet. Have to go back. Waiting at the light, the longest red light on earth. I'm waiting in it. All right, I don't know if you can see this or not, but what we're going to do is a little bit of a little 101 here. We're going to weld the nuts for these, for this what's going to be our little feet for the table. And what we're going to do so that we know that the nut lines up through the hole, I just drilled the hole a 1/2 inch. We don't need it any bigger. What we do is we bolt the nut to the hole. This is so that we know that it's aligned before we weld it. There's no guesswork. And it does another thing. What it does is it holds everything, gets the nut nice and tight against there so that when we weld it, we know it's exactly in place. Let's flip the welder on here. All right, let's tack that in. Don't look at the light, you'll go blind. All right, before we weld these, I want to show you what I've done here. We've got, I don't know if you can see it, it's not much, but I did cut a bevel on the bottom of this, on this little plate here, and I decided to put the nut on the inside. I could have put the nut on the outside, put a nut the inside. On this, it's such a lightweight table. I don't think we're going to have to change those nuts there anytime soon, and I don't think they're going to wear out, and I don't think, I think they'll be able to hold the weight, those three heavy tacks that I put on it, so on each nut. So we're just going to weld it like that. So let me go ahead and get in here. I got new goggles. I had no idea that I couldn't see. Anyway, it's kind of the end of the day for me. I got a late start out here. I didn't get a whole lot done. We did get these little feet welded in. I'll come back out here. I got tomorrow delivering a Christmas tree, I think, in the morning. And then I should be able to get out here and work for a few hours, and then I got a dinner with some friends, so I don't know how much, but I should be back on this tomorrow, and hopefully get the functionality of all finished and then ready to just grind and paint, and then the guy that wants it, he wants it. So all right, but I'll see you in the morning.